Right, so I've just found this nice little car park, which is quite high up in Newcastle upon Tyne. They get some nice kind of slow B-roll, slow motion footage on the Cayman S. So I'm using this DJI Pocket 2, which is like, it's got like a handheld sort of gimbal installed, so it's really good to get these slow motion shots. You do lose a little bit of quality when slowed it down, but the slow motion footage that you get is just, oh, it's perfect. And the good thing about getting up this early, it's like 6 AM, is that there's never anybody else around at this time. So I've used the Osmo Pocket 2. Now I'm going to try and take some good quality pictures. I'm using the Canon EOS R with a 35mm lens. So I've also got a 10 to 18mm lens. So I'll probably switch up and do some pictures on that as well. But let's take some pictures with this first of all. So I'm switching up now to a 10 to 18mm lens. Again, it's a Canon, and it just slide in really easily like that. So what this does is this kind of gives us more of a, probably can't see that, but like more of a wider shot. Yeah, so what I also like to do while I'm here is just get some photos with the iPhone as well, just to make sure I don't miss anything in case some of the shots don't come out so good from the Canon EOS R. And I will put these pictures on my Instagram. Right, so let's go for another quick drive. No, I haven't.
Not a problem. What can I get you?
Just a latte, please.
Yeah, just throw next one when you're ready.
Thank you.
Alright.
Great, thank you. You haven't got brown sugar, have you? I mean, not, right, that's okay. Thank you.